Welcome everyone to another edition of Easy Projects tutorials and features. In this edition, we will be showcasing our newest feature, Project Archiving. Project Archiving can be used to make your space more cleaner and organized. First, let's make sure that you have the necessary user permissions. For archiving, you need the same permission as for deleting a project. If you have enough rights, you can archive the project in two ways, using the More Actions menu option, or on the project details using the Archive option. If you click the Archive Projects option, your project will disappear from all screens of the application and will be stored on the special archive page. This page can be accessed through the action feedback, which can be found on the View project. Or you can find the information in the More Actions in the Activity Center header. Note that you will only be shown projects that you have permissions to delete and archive. Archive page shows basic information about the archive project and allows you to sort them, view details, delete, and unarchive. If you open the details of the archive project, you can see some of the very basic information about the project, the history, but no attachments nor messages would be available. To see information about the project, you should unarchive it. After unarchiving the project, you can now find it in the Activity Center and continue working from where you stopped at the moment of archiving. You may have tons of completed projects which need to be archived. There is bulk archiving for this very purpose. You can select Actions, check the projects you would like to archive, and all of them will be archived at once. Or you can do even more. You can schedule auto archive of your projects by selecting the inactivity period after which all projects which fall under that condition will be archived automatically. When auto archive is enabled, the system will archive all projects with no end-user actions recorded during the selected period. And when you see the archive screen, you can now search by an archived project either by its name or the ID. And when it comes to reporting, on the report generator, you will have the option to include active projects as well as those projects that have been archived. Thank you for watching. We certainly hope you enjoy leveraging our newest feature, Project Archiving. As always, we continue to welcome your feedback and suggestions. Please do send them to success@easyprojects.net.